hello, welcome to my channel guys. In India, one of the most trending and hot news is cryptocurrency is going to ban in India or not? What do you think guys? So not only this one, is RBI is really launching its own digital cryptocurrency? So all the answers you will be getting in this video guys. Watch this video till the end. Say me one thing guys, what do you think, is actually cryptocurrency is going to ban in India or not? Comment below. In India, over 105 million, I mean the 7.90% of the population owns cryptocurrency. Before knowing is going to ban or not, we'll see why our PM, I mean the Narendra Modi ji, want to ban this cryptocurrency. Mainly, this cryptocurrency market attracts to the criminals and who are interested in money evasions and money laundering. In the dark web, every transaction happened in Bitcoin only. Almost every transaction, and when Silk Road site was online, every transaction happened in cryptocurrencies only. So not only these reasons guys, our government thinks about the cyber attacks also, because the total investment is stored in the virtual, right? So globally, hacking is a major threat in the banks and the institutions. Before continue this video, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel guys and add a like button and set your friends and family also. The most secure US Federal Reserve, the US Central Bank, has faced hundreds of cyber attacks in the last decade. So our government thinks that the many investors can get lost, and many investors have trading is all the saving money in the crypto assets. Now let's see, is RBI is going to launch its own cryptocurrency or not? So yes guys, the government is all set to create the digital framework of the cryptocurrency, and it is issued by the RBI, I mean the Reserve Bank of India. This official digital cryptocurrency will be centralized. When we will talk about the Bitcoin, Bitcoin was the decentralized and it is P2P, I mean the person to person can trade, and it has a limit of 21 million, right? So, but up to now, RBI has not issued any kind of information about the digital cryptocurrency. Just it said that it is launching an official digital currency. That's it. So let's wait for it. In India, there are many cryptocurrency exchanges, right? Like CoinDCX or Cuba CoinSwitch or WajirX, etc. So government has said that store all the transaction which is made in your platform, because there are few platforms which are trading without KYC. I mean complete KYC. I know you are waiting for this. Is cryptocurrency is going to ban in India or not? For this answer is yes. The private cryptocurrencies is going to ban in India guys. So not only this one guys, government is going to introduce bills on the cryptocurrencies and other 25 bills during the winter session of the parliament, and it will be begin from November 2019-2021. So this is the whole story of the cryptocurrency is going to ban in India or not guys. I think you got an idea, right? So many of us started panicking because they want to know BTC, I mean the Bitcoin, is private or public. So don't worry guys, Bitcoin, Ethereum and Litecoin, these are the public coin, and private coin is Zcash and Dash. These are the few examples. You can search in Google also, so you can get better clarity on that. So this is the video guys. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, add a like button and set your friends also, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel guys. And finally, see you in the next video.